Winston, he's out there. It's snowing, coming down right now, and I didn't put him on his leash, his leash thing over there, or not leash, but his cable that is attached to the ground. You can see it right there, sticking up out of the ground. But anyway, I think he's thinking he can go do whatever he wants. Oh, you proved me wrong. What happened? Did you get scared of all that snow? You didn't get scared of that snow. Did you even go potty? I think you forgot what you were out there for. Try again. Go potty. Little turd. And there he is. It is President's Day, 2020, February 17th, and we are getting a bunch of snow. Look at my tree, my big oak tree. Oh, he's like, Dad, why am I out here right now? Let's see, he's a homebody. He likes running around, but he likes to be inside more. It's funny. If I open this door right now, he's probably going to come right in. Let's see. What you do? Winnie. Muka. You want to come inside? Come on. You want to come inside? What are you going to do? Now you don't know what you want to do. Okay. Well, my phone's getting wet now that I got the door open, Winston, so I gotta stop taping you. Come on, let's go. Get in the house. Good boy. Good boy. I love you, Winston.